Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today we're on our latest staircase and we are stripping steps to be stained. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and as usual, helping me in the videos are my sons, well, just Hunter today. So today we are working on one of our latest staircases, and we are on the portion of the job where we have the stair treads. Now, she already had treads. They were stained a color that's not my style, so we want to do a new color. And first, we're gonna go ahead and strip them, not sand them. We're gonna sand them, but before we sand them, we're gonna strip the old stain and finish off because it's really thick finish, and this is gonna cut down on the labor. So without any further ado, let's get in there and show you what we're doing. So we're working with a Clean product. Clean is the company, Stripper is their product. You apply it to the steps. You let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. You gotta get the feel for it. Once it starts breaking through, you'll see. Now we like to just scrape it off with a scraper, but we also use brushes, and it works really good for handrails. So it's working really good. We let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, then we scrape it off, then we wash it down. This way we have a water bucket with us and get all the excess off. Then once I do that, then I'm gonna sand it lightly and we'll be ready for our new finish. So this is a fraction of what we have already scraped off. Just think, if we had sanded this is all possibly sawdust that could have been airborne, and now it's contained. We have a whole bag of this stuff. And this is the progression. This is one that's done, washed down, not sanded, and just the first gone over. Still drying. So my advice, once you think you're done sanding and you got it completely smooth, then sand some more. Sanding is not something you can cut corners on. It has to be completely smooth. You have to get all the corners, all the crevices. Any place that you're gonna put stain or finish on needs to be sanded perfect. And then once you're done sanding, you have to remove all the dust, completely dust free. Doesn't it look good?
Beautiful up here.
So this looks bigger, right? And brighter?
It looks huge.
It really looks good.
What a difference.
Alright, so as we go up our staircase here, we've created the double entry now from single to double. Steps have been stripped. They're ready for the new stain. And nosing up there, we're going to re-stain or impact oil the steps and handrails. And here is the beautiful new vinyl floor that we put in here. This is one of my favorite vinyls. This is the Sutton by Citadel. And it is really cool. I love the wide planks. It's got to be one of my favorite colors. We laid it on the 45-degree angle. When you look at it, it just flows so nicely. Wow, so that is really cutting down on the time. The stripping is working really good. I use it a lot on handrails, not too much on treads, but I think I'll start using it more on treads as well. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite, product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl. I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I smurge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.